preserved, just as much as physical landscapes itself. We deserve a place where families can enjoy the park, the lake, and be able to fish without dead bodies and use needles clean inside of the water. I hope this decision helps restore MacArthur Park, and thank you for listening to me.
Where do you live now?
What?
City did you move to?
That's,
You don't live in LA?
I don't know.
You live in LA, you said about it.
I respect your experience. I lead walking tours through the park. I also had to activate and bring in a arborist to help when Neil Sapio was rushing work on the north side of the park that was trenching through the root lines. I'm really happy Rackham Parks is spending this energy trying to come up with a fence that protects the root lines. This is squandered resources. All of this time and money should be spent improving the city, improving the park. This is happening because Donald Trump has made the park part of the national narrative, and fencing it off is a way of turning our back on the problems and saying we're doing something about it as a city. It's a beautiful landscape. It is permeable. People walk in all parts, and frankly, as someone who spends a great deal of time in the park, it's fine, except for across from Metro. Right across from Metro, there is a drug camp, and people are struggling enormously on one tiny little sliver. You want to build a fence? Put the fence against the sidewalk and let people live there. You have the power to protect a great space. I'm grateful for the work you're doing.
Next speakers, Andrew Slaney.